I'm holding a weapon that doesn't look like a weapon. It folds like a fan, rides in a sleeve, it could stop an arrow, it could signal an army, it could end a duel. This is the Japanese war fan, the Tessen. Samurai carried swords, sure. But in towns where blades were banned, they carried these. On the outside, lacquered paper. You could bow with it. Or snap. Trap a blade for a heartbeat and win. There were a few types. Gunsen, lighter, for officers. A mix of bamboo and metal, used for signaling troops with coded gestures. Tessen, heavier, iron-ribbed. Built for defense and surprise strikes, a fan that's basically a disguised club. Picture a duel. Your opponent expects steel. You open a fan? Rude? No. You blind with a flick. Step in. In close quarters, the fan shines. Short. Fast. It wasn't just fighting. The war fan was communication. Built, withdraw. Strategy? Legends say generals used iron fans as portable shields, deflecting arrows. Or shuriken in a pinch. Real or myth, the idea sticks. Elegance doubling as insurance. Even its etiquette mattered. Where you rested, the fan showed status. How you opened it showed intent. Art wrapped around iron. Cranes. Waves. Rising suns. Because power in Japan often hid behind beauty. Why does this matter now? The Tessen is a reminder. The smartest tool isn't always the biggest sword. Sometimes it's the quiet thing in your hand that changes the entire fight. If you could carry one ordinary object with a hidden edge, what would it be? Tell me below. I'm collecting ideas.